Hi everybody, my name is John Cox. I'm a software engineer on Google's Open Online Education team, and in this video I'm going to be demoing for you the Google Drive integration that we added to Course Builder 1.7.
So what I've got is an incognito window. I don't have any credentials over here. And I'm going to go over to my development machine. Excuse me. Let me fix my typo here. And I'm going to log in. And when I log in, I can sign in as whoever I want because this is a development machine and I'm not signing in with my Google account. So I log in, I go to the administrative interface, I go to my course, and then I click Add Unit. And this integration shows up in the rich text editor in this toolbox. So any place you can use the toolbox, you can use this integration. So I click this button, I choose Google Drive from this drop-down, and now I get the new integration. So what I do, I click Pick here, and Google's going to ask me to authenticate because I haven't signed in with my Google account. So my testing account, johnmcoxtesting@gmail.com is the username. I type in a password, I sign in, and now I get the Google Drive picker. And from here, I can select the document that I want. I also have a search bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my first document. I'm going to select that. And then in this window, I can click Save and suck the contents into my Course Builder course. And let me actually show you what that document looks like, just so you've seen it. So here in Google Docs, I have some text. I have an image. So in Course Builder, like with all other custom tags, which is how this thing is implemented, in the rich text editor, you see the Drive icon. You can double-click on that Drive icon to pick a new item or save it again. So what I'm going to do in the rich text editor, I'm going to say, here is some Course Builder content, and here is some content from the Drive. And then I have the Drive icon, and then beneath it, here's some more Course Builder content. So you can see that this stuff exists side by side. And I'm going to click Save over here. I'm also going to make this public. So I'm going to save this unit. And then when I go over to my Course Builder deployment here and navigate to the unit, I can see here is some Course Builder content, and then here's some content from Drive, and then here is my document from Google Drive. Now, an important thing about this before, we previously made it so that you could load contents in an iframe. This is a little bit of engineering detail here. The old integration, the important thing that you need to know is that it wasn't as efficient as this one. In the old integration, we actually served contents directly from Google Docs. Google Docs is not optimized for delivering content to tons and tons of people. It's optimized for having a smaller number of people and giving them a truly excellent editing experience. So our users told us, hey, when we want to use Google Docs, but when we deliver our content, we're having some scaling problems. So what this does is it actually makes a copy of the document inside Course Builder and delivers it from Course Builder. So you can see the document contents right alongside my Course Builder content. And because I'm signed in as an administrator, above this document, I have some controls here. And because we're making copies, when you go over to Google Docs, let's say that I changed my Google document content. And I go back over to Course Builder. If I reload this page, I'm not going to see those changes because I made a copy in Course Builder. So if you're signed in as an admin, you have these controls where you can refresh the content. So I'm going to click that, and now I can see my changed doc contents. It's giving me a preview now, so I can see my Google document contents in context alongside all my Course Builder stuff. If I don't like this new content, I can click the revert button and I go back to the old one. If I do like the new content, I click Save and the copy in Course Builder gets updated. All right, let me close my window and show you what this looks like to a student, because obviously for a student, we wouldn't want to show those controls for refreshing the document contents. So I'm going to go with no credentials to this course. I'm going to click on New Unit, and as a student, I can see the Course Builder content, I see the contents from Drive, I see more Course Builder content, but I do not see those controls. So the content from Google Drive blends in to your content in Course Builder. That's everything I wanted to show you today. I really hope you enjoy being able to author content in the excellent Google Docs interface and be able to use, all the fancy revision history and collaborative editing features, store that content in Google Drive and have the peace of mind that comes with having many copies of it living in Google's cloud, and then efficient delivery of that content in your Course Builder deployments to your students. So enjoy the new features and enjoy Course Builder 1.7.